All great Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world, you are welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending your location. All right, great Biafrans. After the Kenya court ruled in favor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there has been a lot of good news, development coming out from Kenya. Right now, the 18th of this month, July, is the final decision day, final day for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to know his fate, whether he will be set free, released on bail, or continue the trial. So, but since, like I said, Kenya court found Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrest from Kenya to Nigeria unlawful and awarded him 10 million Kenya shilling. It has exposed a lot of things. Right now, Tinubu is under pressure because the courts also demanding that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be sent back to Kenya or to London or free him. They have given them option. Nigerian courts, Nigerian lawyers and judges to decide on the 18th of this month either to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, send him back to Kenya where they kidnap him from, or return him to UK. They have given them option to do that. The United Nations has also weighed in into this case, this matter, because, like I said, since the court in Kenya declared Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrest or kidnap, not even arrest, but when we say arrest, it's something that went through due process through Kenya, court and all that. But this one was kidnapped and it was rendition unlawfully to Nigeria, which the Kenyan court found unlawful and illegal, awarded Mazi Nnamdi Kanu money, compensation for that. They have also, like I said, given the Nigerian court to do the needful to send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Kenya, where they kidnap him from, or London, where he based, or free him on that 18th. So right now, the Nigerian government, the Nigerian court, they are panicking. They have decision to make before that 18th of this month, which is just a couple of days from today. So they have to make urgent decision from now to that 18th of July 2025 to make decision either to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free him, send him back to Kenya or UK. So this is a very welcoming news as well to Biafrans. Like I said, since victory from Kenya, and so many things has happened. Good news coming out from his case, and Nigeria government don't have any option. Tinubu don't have any option. So if that 18th of this month comes and they still hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that's to show you they're up to something else, which is what we have been saying, that they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They want to keep him there, or they want to buy him, which I know is not possible and it's not going to happen. So the Nigerian courts and Nigerian government have a decision to make. On that 18th July, which is a couple of days from today, Nigeria court must do one thing: release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's the option they've got. If they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they should send him back to Kenya where they kidnap him from, which the Kenya court also demanding, the Kenya judge demanding, or send him to his base here in UK. So I don't even know what's gonna make them prevent them not to do that, or I don't know what they're gonna come up to. You never know. Nigerian courts, Nigerian justice system, Nigerian things, you can never trust them. So that 18th is gonna be something I don't even know what's gonna happen on that 18th. Like I said, the international communities, they have weighed into this case since that court decision victory from Kenya. So now it's open, and the whole world, even though they knew before that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was unlawfully detained, arrested, kidnapped, and everything. The United Nations have acted before. During that time, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, gave Nigeria 6 months, though they didn't do anything up to today. During that time, Buhari was. They gave them 6 months to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or come with something that shows that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed the offense which they have accused him of. Up to that time, this is almost 3 years, and now they didn't do anything about that. But we don't know what's gonna happen, how they're gonna react to this one now, knowing fully well and finding out that the Kenya in court, where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from, they have found, and they are aware that the Kenya court has found Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's kidnap was unlawful. So all these things, we don't know what's gonna play out on that 18th. But like I'm telling you, Tinubu's government, Nigerian courts, they are in panic right now. So we hope and we cross our fingers that that day there will be a good news. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released on the 18th. They have no option. They've got no other option than to release this man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Like I said, you never know. You can never trust Nigerian government. Anything that coming out from that country, you will never trust them. But Chukwuokike Abiyama, if God have said yes in something, nobody can dispute that. Unless Chukwuokike Abiyama has not said or has not approved the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on that 18th of July. That's the only thing that will stop the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only thing. Apart from that, I don't see any other thing. Like I said, they will try. They will come up with the excuse. They will come up with something else. They will, after all, it has happened before. When the court in Nigeria acquitted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, discharged him and acquitted him, the Nigerian court, the Nigerian government, during that time, led by Buhari and Attorney General, they refused. They say no. They refuse the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And that's why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS custody today. And that's why the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which they're supposed to hold, is still going on today. So on that 18th, the Nigerian government, the Nigerian courts, judge, they have no other option. Good, this man that is handling the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the new judge, Omotosho, which has thrown the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and given the Nigerian government that 18 to come up with something that will show that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed the offense which they have accused him, so that the trial will continue, but which the Nigerian government will not produce any evidence. So we hope and we cross our fingers. On the 18th of July this month, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be a free person. God bless you all. Bye.